23. Raymond Burr played the role of lawyer Perry Mason on television. Burr's death in 1993 prompted a prominent lawyer to say, although not a lawyer, Mr. Burr strove for such authenticity that we feel as if we lost one of our own. This comment from a prestigious attorney provides appalling evidence that in the face of television, even some legal professionals are losing their ability to distinguish fiction from reality. Um, this conclusion comes out of nowhere because this prestigious lawyer that we're talking about literally says, although not a lawyer, he acknowledges that this is not reality. He's very clear about the fact that that Raymond Burr is an actor who strove for authenticity. So he was very authentic in his performance as a lawyer, and this lawyer was very clear that Mr. Burr was not a lawyer. He was playing a character. So to say that legal professionals can't distinguish fiction from reality is literally incorrect because the lawyer is saying, I can tell that this is not reality. I'm very clear on the fact that this is not reality. This is fiction. So I'm looking for that the authors ignored that this lawyer already distinguished between fact and fiction. The reasoning in the argument is flawed because the argument A takes the views of one lawyer to represent the views of all lawyers. We're not generalizing from one to everyone, so A is out. B criticizes the lawyer rather than the lawyer's statement. We're not attacking the lawyer himself, we're attacking the lawyer's statement, so B is out. C presumes that the lawyer is qualified to evaluate the performance of an actor. We're not we're not assuming this, we're not trying to say this. This is not touching on the flaw that we're trying to get to, which is that the author ignored what the lawyer literally said. D focuses on a famous actor's portrayal of a lawyer rather than on the usual way in which lawyers are portrayed on television. That is not the flaw we're going for here. Again, we're looking for the idea that the author ignored what the lawyer has said. Then E ignores the part of a lawyer's remark that indicates an awareness of the difference between reality and fiction, which is what we predicted. We said the lawyer literally said that Mr. Burr, although not a lawyer, he acknowledged that there was a difference between fiction and reality, and the author chose to ignore that. He didn't pay attention to it. So E is my right answer.